What is the question? What is the date of birth of Swami Vivekananda? What is the answer?
January
12 January. Please remember. साल होने से पहले पहले उनका बर्थ आता है, इतना याद होने से हो जाएगा. 12 जनवरी. Who was the master or guru of Swami Vivekananda? Please raise hands. You. Please come. Please come here. इधर देखो. कंगड़ देखो. इधर बोले भी चढ़ो सर. हाँ. What is your name? Dipanjali? हाँ. So who is the master of Swami Vivekananda? Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa. What is the meaning of a Paramahansa? A Hansa discriminates milk from water. It takes water and leaves water. Likewise, a Paramahansa sees God everywhere, leaving Maya. That is Paramahansa. Okay. Please show the book here. Read the name of the book.
How to build
Character. Character making and nation building. These are the twin objects of Swami Vivekananda. We must build our character. Then we can build the nation. Okay. Thank you, sir. In which city the World Parliament of Religions took place? In September 11, 1893. In which city? Please, come here.
What's it?
What do you mean? In which city?
Chicago.
Chicago of America. Okay. Read out the name.
एकाग्रता
छात्र
छात्र अध्ययन
अध्ययन एकाग्रता लाभ करिवे. Very useful. Thank you. You take. What are the 4 yogas? Name of the 4 yogas that Swamiji talks about. Please come. See, please maintain silence. Silence is very essential. What's your name?
My name is Samir Hosh.
What are the name of the 4 yogas?
Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raja Yoga, and
ज्ञान योगा. आदर्श छात्र जीवन. Ideal student life. So what is Jnana Yoga? What is Jnana Yoga? What does Jnana Yoga say? What does Jnana Yoga say? Wisdom about what? Self. Very good. Knowing ourselves. Who am I? And what is the answer? I am that what I am search. I have been searching throughout the life. I myself is that. That is the discovery. All the while this gravitational force was there, isn't it? Before Newton was born also. But Newton discovered it. Likewise we discover that I have been the thing that I have been searching. Unknowingly I was searching outside. Please come. What is Raja Yoga? What is Raja Yoga? What is Raja Yoga? There from this side. What is Raja Yoga? Please do not discuss among yourself. Please say it aloud to me. What is Raja Yoga? There you can say.
To rule in a country or ruler.
No. It is the king of yogas. That is Raja Yoga, king of yogas. So what does it say? Raja Yoga means stilling the body. Keep the body still. Keep the mind one pointed. And keep the intellect sharp. That is Raja Yoga. Patanjali Raja Yoga, which is otherwise known as Ashtanga Yoga. यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि. In the sixth canto of Bhagavad Gita, it is there. आत्म संयम योग. ज्यादा खाना नहीं है, ज्यादा कम खाना नहीं है, ज्यादा सोना नहीं है, कम खाना सोना है नहीं है. माने इक्विलिब्रियम. योगा मीन्स इक्वेनिमिटी, बैलेंस. Okay. And what is bhakti yoga? What is bhakti yoga? हाँ. Please come. यहाँ आ जाइए थोड़ा सा. What is bhakti yoga? हाँ? To love God for the sake of love, without asking anything. Unconditional love. To remember Him all the constantly. What's your name?
साई माता मुझे
Netaji Subhas was very much inspired by Swami Vivekananda. Many people do not know. Swami Vivekananda told that forget all gods and goddesses for further 50 years. Let Mother India be your goddess and serve her. And Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose took it to the letters. What is the nature of our self? What is the nature of the self? आत्मा रो धर्म कौन, स्वधर्म कौन, आत्मा स्वभाव कौन? What is the nature of the self? Boys, what is the nature of the self? जिंदी पानी रो स्वभाव तळकु गडी जीवा, अग्नि रो स्वभाव जिंदी ऊपर उठिबा. जिंदी एई आत्मा बा हम निजर स्वभाव कौन? Sat Chid Ananda, absolute existence, absolute knowledge and absolute bliss. This is our nature. This is our property. It is not burden for us. जोटा जहार स्वभाव तापाई सेटा बोझ होई नाही. जानिबाटा हम पाई बोझ नुहे. गोटे छोट छुआ भी यदि इनती देखबो से खुलिया चेष्टा करबो कोन अछि जानिबो. डिजायर टू नो. जानिबा हम समस्त स्वभाव. Satchidananda. Please remember, this is our nature. Swami Vivekananda once, I told you, once went to a university, the students wrote in the blackboard, God is nowhere. And Swami Vivekananda see the wit, immediate presence of mind. He wrote the same letters, God is now here. In fact, so spirituality is a journey from nowhere to now here. As we grow older, in our childhood days, we were innocent. We are praying with our full soul. But as we grow older, we ask questions about God, existence of God. As if God is nowhere. So spirituality tells us, no, you are that. So it is a journey from nowhere to now and here. Swami Vivekananda, to insult him, a person keeps some books, Bible, Quran, all these things, and placed the Gita bottom. He wanted to insult. But what Swamiji did, he told that good base, good foundation. If the foundation will be removed, everything will be crumbled. That is the wheat, presence of mind. In another instance, another fellow wanted to insult Swami Vivekananda. They were dining together. So he told that swan, घुसरी और हंस एक साथ नहीं बैठते हैं. तो स्वामी जी told that yes, so I am flying. You sit. Then he asked another question. There are two bags. In one bag there is wisdom, and in one bag there is wealth. Which one you will take? Swamiji answered, I will take the wealth. So that person could see how foolish he is taking the wealth. स्वामी जी रिप्लाइड, जिसके पास जो नहीं होता है वो लेता है। मेरे पास है, विजडम है। सी, दिस शुड बी द स्टेट ऑफ आवर माइंड। इमीडिएट रिप्लाई। ओके, another one or two questions? How do you feel during the meditation? Please come. It is not a question. It is just a how did you feel during your meditation?
I feel.
Now, what's right? Please tell your name.
I feel. My name is Samyaranjan Char. I feel very relaxed during meditation.
Any other thing?
Relaxed. I feel. Power.
No need, no. Swami Vivekananda has envisioned in Kanyakumari doing meditation that my India will grow more glorious. So in that direction, what can you do? Please come. What will you do to realize the dream of Swami Vivekananda? It is our birthday, National Youth Day. You consider yourself a young man. So it is your day. Swami Vivekananda takes all of us along with him. And he wants our India to be great, glorious, more glorious. So what can you do? Huh? Tell your name. Try to know. What can you do? We can progress in the path in India directed us. At least we can do that. Nothing. We can do some meditation. That you can do. Character, you can build your character. You can realize the dream of your parents. Right? Student power, Chhatra Shakti. It can destroy, it can construct. In the wrong hands, it can create havoc. बस जला दो, बिल्डिंग जला दो, स्ट्राइक हुआ, साइन डाई कर दो, wrong. And serving the society, going to villages to teach the children. Two directions are there, Chhatra Shakti. So dear friends, we are getting late, I think. So our main aim is to spread this knowledge of Swami Vivekananda in villages. You are from different villages, so you can take me to your village. We can have some library, mini library in your villages also, keeping 40 to 50 books. Swami Vivekananda, that will be very useful. Do something. And the energy is there within you. All the power is within you. You can do anything and everything. We have only kept our own hands before our eyes and saying that it is dark. Photo उठेगा?
बस्ता
बस